Hey there, Netflix fans. Are you tired of scrolling through the endless list of shows on the streaming platform, trying to decide what to watch next? Look no further because we've got you covered. In this video, we're going to highlight the top 5 must-watch series on Netflix that you won't want to miss. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to add these shows to your watch list. 1. Stranger Things. Our first must-watch series on Netflix is Stranger Things. This science fiction horror series is set in the 1980s and follows a group of friends as they uncover supernatural mysteries and fight against a government agency. The show has gained a massive following, and for a good reason. The storyline is intriguing, and the characters are lovable and relatable. With 3 seasons available on Netflix, this show is perfect for binge-watching. 2. Ozark. Next up on our list is the crime drama series Ozark. This show follows a financial planner, Marty Bird, and his family as they move to the Ozarks to launder money for a drug cartel. As you can imagine, things don't go smoothly for the family, and they find themselves in increasingly dangerous situations. The acting in this series is top-notch, and the storyline is gripping. With 4 seasons available on Netflix, this show is perfect for those who love crime dramas. 3. The Crown. If you're a fan of historical dramas, then you won't want to miss The Crown. This show follows the life of Queen Elizabeth II, starting with her marriage to Prince Philip in 1947. The show covers major events in the Queen's life, including political scandals, personal relationships, and historical events. The attention to detail in this series is impressive, and the acting is superb. With 4 seasons available on Netflix, this show is perfect for those who love history and drama. 4. Sex Education. If you're in the mood for a comedy drama, then Sex Education is the perfect show for you. This series follows Otis, a socially awkward teenager who starts an underground sex therapy clinic with his classmates. The show deals with mature themes in a lighthearted and humorous way, and the acting is fantastic. With 3 seasons available on Netflix, this show is perfect for those who want to laugh while watching something heartwarming. 5. Narcos. Our final must-watch series on Netflix is Narcos. This crime drama series follows the rise and fall of the Medellin drug cartel in Colombia. The show is narrated by DEA agent Steve Murphy, who is tasked with bringing down the cartel. The acting in this series is outstanding, and the storyline is both thrilling and educational. With 3 seasons available on Netflix, this show is perfect for those who love crime dramas and historical events. And that's a wrap on our top 5 must-watch series on Netflix. Whether you're in the mood for a drama, comedy, or historical series, these shows have something for everyone. So, grab your remote, log into your Netflix account, and start watching these incredible shows today. Thanks for watching.